What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to check for trending sounds on Instagram. Identifying trending sounds is crucial for anyone looking to increase their reach or simply stay updated with the latest trends on the platform. These sounds can give your content a viral push, connecting you with a wider audience and making your Reels stand out. First, open your Instagram app and tap on the Reels icon located at the bottom of your screen. As you enjoy scrolling through the Reels, pay close attention to the music player icon at the bottom left of each reel. A small upward pointing arrow next to the sound's name indicates it's on the rise. By tapping on this icon, you can access more details about the sound, including an option to use it in your own Reels. This is a direct indicator of what's trending and can serve as inspiration for your next viral creation. For our second method, tap on the Create button at the bottom of your screen, which looks like a plus sign. Select Reels from the options and then hit the camera icon to start creating. Here, look for the music icon in the upper left corner. Tapping on it brings up Instagram's vast music library. Scroll down until you encounter the section for original audio. This section is a goldmine for trending sounds that are copyright-free. The fact that they are free of copyright restrictions means more creators use them, boosting their chances of going viral. Both methods are effective in finding sounds that can enhance your Reels, whether you're aiming for virality or just wanting to keep your content fresh and engaging. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.